The Mazda MX-81 Aria stands as a testament to the remarkable fusion of Italian design excellence and Japanese engineering precision. This groundbreaking concept car emerged from an unlikely love story that began in 1960 when 22-year-old Japanese journalist Hideyuki Miyakawa met Italian translator Marisa Bassano at the Turin Motor Show. Their romance not only led to marriage 2 years later, but also forged the crucial connection between Mazda and the prestigious Italian design house Bertone. Unveiled at the 1981 Tokyo Motor Show, the MX-81 Aria became Mazda's first vehicle to bear the MX designation, standing for Mazda Experimental. Bertone's Marc Duchamp designed this futuristic wedge-shaped coupe, drawing inspiration from Marcello Gandini's rejected Volvo Tundra concept from 1979. Built on the chassis of the contemporary Mazda 323, the car featured a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine producing 130 horsepower, wrapped in aerodynamically efficient bodywork with an impressive drag coefficient of 0.29. The exterior showcased revolutionary design elements: flush-mounted windows, pop-up headlights, retractable wipers hidden behind the hood's upper edge, and distinctive vertical taillights spanning the C-pillars. The gold-painted body emphasized clean, minimalist lines that would influence Mazda's production models for years to come, particularly the 323F. The interior represented the pinnacle of 1980s automotive futurism. Front seats rotated outward for easier entry, upholstered in multi-tone leather and suede. The most striking feature was the rectangular Formula One-inspired steering wheel, a revolutionary belt-driven system that eliminated the traditional steering column. At its center sat a color CRT television screen displaying all vehicle information, surrounded by numerous control buttons. The passenger side featured an elaborate vanity station with a lighted mirror, elevating the concept of in-car grooming to new heights. Unlike most concept cars, the MX-81 Aria escaped destruction after its show duties ended. For nearly 4 decades, it remained forgotten in Mazda's Fuchizaki warehouse in Hiroshima until Nobuhiro Yamamoto, former MX-5 program manager, rediscovered it on Valentine's Day 2020. The timing proved perfect for Mazda's centenary celebrations and the launch of the MX-30 electric crossover. The restoration process involved 2 phases: mechanical restoration at Mazda's Hiroshima headquarters and bodywork restoration by Superstyle in Turin, Italy. The comprehensive overhaul included engine rebuilding, electrical system updates, panel restoration, and interior refurbishment. The famous pop-up headlights received new glass and were returned to full functionality. To commemorate the restoration and celebrate 60 years of Italian-Japanese design collaboration, Mazda recreated the iconic photograph of the MX-81 Aria in front of Milan Cathedral's Piazza del Duomo. This symbolic gesture connected the car's past with its present, honoring the enduring relationship between Italian craftsmanship and Japanese innovation that continues to influence automotive design today.